Welcome back to Daytime Live. Remember, I told you to stay tuned, because this discussion is going to be a heated one. Today's chat topic: is it okay to fantasize about someone else when you are in a relationship? Hold on. You realize the comments start coming already? Come on, don't worry yourself. And we have Gabriel and Chad to tell us all about it.
Oh.
So, who wants to take it on?
Chad, I want to hear what Chad has to say. Is it okay?
It's okay, just don't act on it. But I think that you can think about other people while in a relationship, but don't act on it. If you act on it, that's the problem.
So you're saying you can think about it, just don't act on it.
Don't act on it.
So one evening, you and your girlfriend or whatever are having conversations, and she says to you, yesterday I was actually thinking about my ex. That's okay, as long as she didn't act on it. I'm just, because you know what, we like to say a lot of things, right? So I'm just clarifying. It's okay that she's thinking it, as long as she doesn't act on it. You're sticking with that. All right, Gabriel.
All right, we work with that.
What say you? Work with that? All right. She's watching. What say you?
I feel the same way, more or less. I feel like, you're in control of your thoughts and your actions. So, I mean, if it is that you run off with this person, it's because you wanted to.
Right.
You get what I'm saying? So,
okay. Craig,
here nor there.
The clarification, though.
Yes.
Like be more specific.
It's a fantasize. It gives the impression like, you're really wanting to be with that other person. I mean, everybody going to go through times, like for the youths, and them say a girl and say, oh, John.
Nice.
Then ease up and it's gone. You know what I mean? But
Yeah.
it's different if you are with your woman and seeing another person.
Yeah, you're
And
pursuing.
place.
Yeah, like you're pursuing the person.
When you have fantasized them way, they might as well you're not in a relationship at all.
Yeah,
There it goes.
Yeah, that's just how I feel about it too.
Pause a second, because guys, let's be clear. You see, only love going away, Thoughts, fantasies are thoughts. Thoughts often lead to action. That's why they say if you want to achieve something in your life, think on these things, right? So if you're thinking on something, psychologists say that what a person thinks on, give it enough time, they eventually want to act on it.
All right.
So when we're all saying, it doesn't matter as long as it's a manifestation.
I want to go to the whole mind cheating aspect of it, right? Because I think we are saying, okay, it's okay to fantasize. Let's just term it. It is called mind cheating. What's the difference between mind cheating and cheating? Is there a difference because of cheating? You know what I say? So is there really?
Let's say, I don't know, we have grown-ups here at the table. Sometimes you're in a relationship with somebody and you have an active relationship in a lot of ways, and a part of the active relationship is that you may role play. So my name is Wonder Woman and you are Tarzan, and that is a fantasy, but it's a role play, and it's in the relationship. It enhances your life, your experience with each other. Is something wrong with that? Because that's also a part of a healthy fantasy life.
If that's what works for you guys, then
fantasies are meant to enhance life. So here's my question to you guys. Okay, if I am fantasizing, if your partner is fantasizing about somebody, would you rather to know or to not know?
neither here nor there.
Neither here nor there, Chad.
Same.
You don't.
I don't
All right.
Really?
The views here. Okay, hold on. We have to take it. You don't want.
You don't want to know.
Because it makes things worse. It makes things worse because you know.
What's he saying?
Suppose she's fantasizing about a female.
Okay, I see what
If you're into that kind of thing.
you're saying. What if it's not? Okay.
But that
okay.
that all encompasses the whole, whether it is healthy or unhealthy type of cheating.
Yeah.
I think again it's important to sort of have some definitions to so you know exactly what you're getting into. Because again,
boundaries.
we mentioned the fact that then fantasizing might not necessarily be physical, and then Craig won't be saying, listen, you don't know if it's physical or not, because you can be sitting there thinking about fantasizing about something so wonderful, and there's some physical action to it. You know what I mean?
But you know what? I want to know. All right, so we're going out. Oh, you're going out in the audience? Yes.
Of course.
So yes, go talk to the people. So guys, tell me, because these guys aren't being honest up here. Audience, is it okay to fantasize? Whoever you like, Reggie T. Just yes.
I do believe that if you have someone special in your life, you should not be fantasizing about anybody else. You should not be
Okay.
fantasizing about anybody
A round of
else.
applause for our sister.
It leads to an action. After a while, you're going to want to act it out.
I agree. That's what I
Thinking
feel. That's what I
strong.
feel.
Yes, thinking
All right,
strong.
this gentleman. Somebody else have another mic, Craig. Somebody else have the mic at the back. What we say? Well, she has her mic. Okay.
Angeline. All right, and I don't believe that anything is wrong with fantasizing with someone else when you're in a relationship, because as I said, I don't believe humans are truly monogamous. Therefore, us practicing monogamy is a social concept, and fantasizing about someone is only doing something that's natural. When you act upon it, that's when it becomes a problem.
Right.
So I don't think there's anything wrong
That's
with you being in a relationship 2, 3, 4 years, 10 years, 20 years down
Yes.
the line. There's nothing wrong if you start, thinking of
Yeah.
something else.
I
Just
agree.
don't
Yeah.
act upon it.
Don't act
I
upon it.
agree.
Well. Who better to hear it from?
All right, Craig, you come back. I know you're enjoying yourself out there in the audience with the ladies. Grab the mic and come take a seat. All right. All right.
I want to touch on online cheating now. And I realize I have to break it down so everybody can understand what really take place today. So I already covered a little unhealthy versus healthy. Whether it is, what is mind cheating, our fantasies are their fair game, but I want to go on online cheating now. They know the phenomenon of social media and what it is really doing. Some people feel that social media is damaging, coming to you, my brother, social media is damaging them relationship.
Yeah.
So this likes now and this, tap your picture 20 times and sliding to DMs and all of that.
Yeah.
That's a new, is that
A new
really?
thing.
And then you go upon the picture them when they are beach and you start scrolling and you sit down and you say, oh Lord. God.
Yeah. What do you think
You
about
know,
online
yes.
cheating? Do you think that's a thing?
Definitely.
Well, I mean, if he wants to like pictures, I don't see anything wrong with that. But I mean, sliding in the DMs, and trying to get like a phone number, I think that's a problem.
Okay, so you're saying, let me clarify again, your partner is on Instagram. There is this lovely girl called Jennifer.
Yeah.
Jennifer wears bathing suits on her body, and yes, and he's like at the beach, like in the club, like, because the girls are like, That's absolutely fine as long as he doesn't act on it.
Yeah.
No man, DM's gone in a long time.
I mean, my thing.
All right.
We draw the line there though, because a lot of times things pop up in DMs that you have no control over. How you deal with a loved one or a spouse or whatever when things pop up in them DM and them see.
Yeah.
After that, like, what do they do? Do they block the person? Do they suppose them still liking pictures that are not
Yes.
in the DM after that? What does
I
that mean?
agree.
I also get a lot of DM messages. So it's not,
See?
so
Understand what's going
it's,
on.
yeah, so I
See?
get it.
Yeah.
But there's so much to discuss on this topic. I tell you, we need an hour for daytime chat. But daytime live will be right back. Remember, #TVJDTL.